Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about Tangem Pay. So this was announced a couple hours ago, I believe. So I want to get into everything you need to know regarding Tangem Pay. So this is going to be rolling out very swiftly. If you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, message the moose down below. So I do get back to you guys pretty swiftly. Last video has like freaking 30 views. So I forgot to put the tags. This is crazy work trying to do content, especially with so much going on. By the way, I just did a recent Tangem video. So I give you guys some reasons why it is the best crypto wallet for long-term hold, and why I hold Bitcoin on there. So give that a watch. As well as the other tutorials. So, that being said, guys, let's dive right into it. So, guys, Tangem is by far one of the most effective wallets in crypto right now. Not only is it affordable, but it's small, it's sexy, it's slick, and it gets the moose loose. So, the moose gets pumped whenever he's holding this wallet in his traditional wallet. I always get the wallet stuff all mixed up, but guys, Tangem wallet, $50. Use code Moose. And now we're going to see even more features with the app. So not only is the physical side good, but the hardware side is good as well. So in order to utilize this hardware wallet, you're just going to tap it on your phone, get into the app. So now we're going to be seeing more features. So introducing self-custody meets real-world spending. So Tangem Pay, the non-custodial, meaning the hardware wallet where you can set up and own your own private keys, payment account embedded inside your Tangem hardware wallet will begin its gradual rollout this month. USDC virtual Visa card on chain. So you're going to have a virtual card. So you'll be able to, with your Tangem wallet, have a separate account in the wallet, and you'll have a virtual card. That's what I believe right now. So we'll dive into all of it. And you'll be able to, for example, in your app, you'll have 1,000 USDC, and you'll be able to spend using your Tangem Pay. You'll be able to spend using USDC, spending with your crypto to buy things, which is awesome, right? So let's dive into some of the specifics. Then we'll get into the article where I already went through. I do not think this is going to be available for Canadians. I'm pretty sure I just kind of researched that. So this isn't just another crypto card, so your funds stay on chain. When you pay, USDC is converted 1-to-1 to USD at the point of sale. So again, you hold USDC, it's pegged to the US dollar, and then it's converted to US dollars. It's real-world utility, a Visa card powered by security of the Tangem wallet. So that's what's cool, right? You can hold your crypto, or it's powered and backed, managed with your card, and you can begin to spend, right? So keep this in mind. No transaction fees, no monthly fees, just instant spending. So very cool there. And this is a partnership with Visa, and they've already done other interviews and stuff with Visa, which is cool. Tangem Pay is an optional feature on your Tangem wallet. To be fully compliant with regulatory standards, KYC is required. So know your customer. You're going to have to give up some information in order to utilize this. It applies only for the payment account and is handled by an independent partner. We never see your data. So your Tangem wallet remains fully private in any case. Okay, so the gradual rollout planning starts late November in 33 states. So in the US, you got 33 states. What is it, out of like 52? I don't even know what this is. Okay, so was that Brazil? I don't know any of these flags, man. Where's the Canadian flag? There isn't one. See, I told you. Oh well. Where's the maple leaf? We need the little maple leaf there, bud. Tangem, when Canada? Like, what happened to loving the Canucks? Like, I got a pet beaver at home. Like, what about me and the pet beaver? Justin Bieber, the pet beaver. That's what it is. I'm joking. Yeah. So we're going to open this up. Your Tangem wallet is secure, so that just takes you to the thing. let's dive into this. So this is the Tangem Pay launch details, everything you need to know. That's what we're already diving into. So the AI summary. Tangem Pay is a non-custodial payment account for spending on-chain USDC. So it looks like Polygon with the virtual Visa card. So it's a virtual card. That's pretty interesting. So I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to be. Gradual rollout. We already know that. We went through that. So Tangem Pay is here. Wow. So USDC on the Polygon network and you can spend. That is awesome. Say stablecoins have 4, so we know that. I'm just going to go through and make sure there's nothing else you know. So Tangem Pay is powered by Para LLC, a US-based payment infrastructure company. So to ensure compliance, Tangem Pay users are required for KYC. So yeah, you're not going to be able to do no, privacy coins, with this. No Monero. Okay, so when will Tangem Pay be available? Late November 2025, gradual rollout. We already went over that. So United States, 33 states, including Florida, New York, Texas, Illinois, California, Latin America, 29 countries from Argentina to Uruguay, Asia Pacific and beyond, Japan, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong, everything but Canada. Everything but Canada. Tangem. It's gonna break my heart. It's gonna break the Moose's heart. Guys, put hashtag Moose's heart is broken. Like, I feel like I just got a DM from Sydney Sweeney, and she's like, I can't fly out there. I don't have a passport. Like, the opportunity's there, but I have no access. That's what it feels like. It's not good. Okay, so what is Tangem Pay? We went over that. So it's a virtual card. Wow, that's great. So it's a virtual Visa card, online or in store with Apple Pay or Google Play. So you'll be able to connect it with Apple Pay or Google Pay. So, you probably have it on your phone, load up your account, and everything's secure. So at the end of the day, you're going to be able to hold your USDC with your Tangem, just kind of load it up in a new section, right, in a new area of the app, and you'll be able to manage everything and use your virtual card. So I like that. Tangem Pay is self-custodial hardware wallet. Of course, if you guys watch this channel, you know what that means. So you can create a wallet, generate your private keys, and you control your crypto in a non-custodial fashion on cold storage. And then that's the safety of it, right? So that's kind of what takes it to the next level. Only us in crypto would really know what that means, right? This isn't going to be a product for somebody who's really outside of crypto. Yeah, you'd have to have some kind of knowledge. So watch the Moose, subscribe to the channel. When it first launches, Tangem Pay will offer a virtual Visa card. Physical cards will be available in a future update. Wow. Which I think is cool. Like, based on this photo, that's going to be the thumbnail. Like, that's going to be the thumbnail where I'm like, whatever. So you guys let me know. Did I nail the thumbnail? I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. Not available in Canada. Oh, man. What's going on? Everybody's hating on Canada. Frick. Where can I use the Tangem Pay card? We already went over that. Do I need to convert? No, you don't need to convert to fiat, but you need to deposit USDC, Polygon network, into your Tangem Pay. So I believe you'll be able to swap for it. So Visa dollars. Okay. So how do you sign up? Once you pass KYC, then you're good. Okay, so if you want to look, see if it's available in your country. It's not available in Canada. Well, that really breaks my heart, but it's okay. So to get started, you need a Tangem wallet. Guys, head over to Linktree. Use code Moose. That's what they're asking you. They're asking you to head over to the Moose's Linktree, pinned in the comment section, pinned in the description. It's not pinned in the description, but it's in the description. Use code Moose. Get a 2-card set. Get a 3-card set. Buy a Tangem ring. It comes with the cards anyways. Get loose. Even though it's not available in Canada. But yeah, that's the card. I think it looks freaking awesome. And that's really what you guys need to know. So if you guys are impressed, hit up the Moose, comment down below. Are you excited? Is it available in your country? I don't know. Let me know. Guys, with that being said, the Moose is loose. I think this is really cool. Tangem, when Canada, let me know. We'll see you in the next one, guys.